Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia drives Chevy.
Well, the rain is coming down and it's pretty heavy across parts of Georgia, especially right now in the metro, also off to the east of us around Athens up to Cornelia, and it's all headed towards you in North Georgia. So heads up, folks in Dalton, Ellijay, on out towards Blairsville, Gainesville. You're going to see rain moving in shortly. Also got some pretty heavy rain down south now, looking at places like, let's see, that would be DeKalb County, southward down into Fayette and North Clayton County, a little bit of Fulton County getting some rain. So it's coming down, and it's coming down pretty heavy at just the wrong time. Of course, we'd love to see this after the rush hour. Nevertheless, here we are. And this, of course, much needed because of the drought, but because we're getting so much so quickly, we do have a flood watch in effect. This until 11 p.m. tonight. The entire viewing area is included here. The only thing we're seeing that's not included, just the counties right along the South Carolina state line. I'm going to take you through the rest of tonight and into tomorrow morning, and you'll see that as we get towards midnight, we see a little bit of a lull. There's still a chance of rain going into early tomorrow morning, so I think your streets are still going to be slick as you head out for your morning commute, so do keep that in mind. The heaviest accumulations could be off to the northeast, but right now a lot of locations are saturated or getting toward saturation, so we definitely want to watch out there. In the Atlantic, kind of a weird place to go, I know, but we're looking at two high pressure systems. The first one is right here. This is our Bermuda high, and this is where it basically is. I'm sort of cheating this now. This is basically where it is for your Tuesday. By tomorrow, it's going to move a little bit to the west, and the subsidence, the sinking air associated with that, may cut off some of our showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. So we could see a little bit of a lull Wednesday and Thursday before we're right back up to 80–90% chances of rain as we go into next week. Let's take a look first of all at what we're expecting for later on tonight, if I can get my little map situation squared away here. What we're looking for later on tonight is temperatures on the warm side. We're going to see readings in the 60s for just about everybody. 80s are on tap, and I do want you to watch out here as we get into the weekend, because once again, these 2 days could have very heavy rain associated with them. We go on into next week, things finally start to clear out, and look at this, the sun is back in the forecast as we get into next week.